guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys an updated curly hair routine. I'm going to show you guys how I've been drying my hair using a fan, which is so efficient and I've become so obsessed with it. So if you guys are interested, please continue watching and I hope you guys enjoy. Before adding styling products into my hair, I went ahead and did a deep conditioner from DevaCurl, their Deep Sea Repair, which I left in for about 25 minutes. Before I left the shower, I went ahead and rinsed under cold water to go ahead and seal the texture and create curl pattern. Till this day, I definitely still section my hair. This helps distribute the product evenly, and it also helps to create a lot of definition towards the end of my wash and go. Before applying the product, I like to apply a lot of water. I love when my hair is super soaking wet before. This really helps to retain the moisture and to create very defined curls. Okay, so here's my holy grail, back to using the Garnier Fructis leave-in conditioner. You guys know I've been using this for quite a long time now. The smell, the formula really works with my hair. And now I'm using the SheaMoisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie, which is also another holy grail that I am not ashamed of admitting. To really make sure that all parts of your hair gets the product, I like to rake it as much as possible just so that I can ensure that there's going to be a lot of product throughout my hair. A lot of you guys have been asking about breakage or shedding that you guys have experienced, and I too had experienced this until I trimmed my hair. Honestly, when you trim your hair, you get rid of all the dead ends, which causes the breakage, so I really highly recommend doing that. I trim my hair every 4 to 5 months, and this really also helps with growth. Before applying the product, you guys know I use a paddle brush. I buy this from CVS or Walmart. Honestly, they are everywhere and they're so helpful when detangling and also just helping to get the products throughout my hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the process throughout the rest of the sections, evenly distributing and also raking my curls. Also, a lot of you guys complain about the crown of your head being the driest part. It's also the same for me, so I really like to pay close attention and apply a little bit more product to that section to get it as defined as possible. For this part of my hair, I like to do smaller sections to really ensure that each part of my hair is getting a good amount of product in it. I'm not sure if you guys are sick of me using the same products, so if you guys would like to recommend any, please go ahead and list them down in the comment section, things that you'd like for me to review or things that you like on yourself that you want to see on me. So just let me know, guys. As the weather's getting colder, I do recommend to start using products that are water-based and that add a lot of moisture into your hair. Our curls tend to get drier during the colder weather, so we have to really try to protect it and add moisture back into it. Don't worry guys, I'm almost done. Like I said, the top part of my hair tends to be a bit more drier, so I really like to pay a little bit more attention to it by making the sections smaller. Recently, I've been loving the look of having super defined curls surrounding my face. So once again, I do smaller sections and I apply the product in the direction of my part. back with the Ultra Defining Gel from DevaCurl. I'm going to use this product throughout my hair and really create defined curls. You can take individual parts and really finger coil or rake them through. My favorite thing about this gel is the fact that it doesn't give such a hold or a crunch, but really allows your curls to be bouncy but defined at the same time. Last step before drying, I'm just going to go ahead and separate the curls and also scrunch as much as possible. And just like that, we are ready for drying. Like I said earlier, I started using a fan to dry my hair. I find this to be super effective and also takes less time. So one huge reason why I switched to using a fan is that when I started diffusing, I saw that my ends were getting dry and brittle. Especially when the cold weather is approaching us, I'd like to avoid as much heat as possible. I can't lie, this process still takes quite some time, so I like to practice my German and use some flashcards to help the time pass by. I'm not gonna lie, this fan was for my room because sometimes it gets hot during the summer, but I saw that Georgia had used a fan to dry her hair, so I thought why not go ahead and try it, and ever since that I have literally never stopped using it. To create more volume while drying, I'm going to go ahead and scrunch my hair some more. Once I feel like my hair has dried one way, I like to switch the side and let it get as much air as possible. Another tip, don't be afraid to flip your hair over. This gives you a lot of volume also. Okay, so that whole process took about an hour and a half, and you can see that it's defined, shiny. This is day one hair, so the volume will get bigger during the week. Last but not least, I'm going to apply the Moroccan Sleek Oil from Garnier Fructis. This is also another holy grail for me, and I don't need that much, but it also doesn't leave my hair feeling greasy or weighed down, which is why I love it so much. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the result of me using a fan to dry my hair. Also, let me know how you guys liked the new intro for my videos. Let me know if you like it, if not, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.